welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making cheesy jalapeno corn fritters, guys. So easy to make and can be enjoyed any time of the day. So guys, why wait? Let's get started. So my lovelies, the ingredients are 2 cans of Kernel fire roasted corn drained, 2 small jalapeno peppers which will be finely chopped, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1½ cups milk, 1 egg beaten, and 1 cup sharp cheddar, and oil for frying. Beat. For the peppers, remove seeds and membrane if desired. Now I will cut into small pieces. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking powder, salt, paprika, blend well. The sugar was left behind, guys, so this is the sugar. Blend well. Now combine milk and egg in a small bowl. I will now mix into dry ingredients. I will now combine jalapenos, corn, and cheese. So now, my lovelies, let's go over to the stove. Heat oil and medium high until 350. I will now carefully drop into hot oil. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. And my lovelies, you can make them in whatever size you want. Looking all so beautiful, guys. And let me tell you guys, you are all going to enjoy. Very, very delicious. You can have them with your coffee, your tea, just about anything, guys. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, or supper.
They are beautiful.
Drain on a paper towel.
This is it, guys, all golden and beautiful, guys. I do hope you will enjoy this video, and please let me know by leaving me your comment, like, share and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Beautiful.